hope you all are good and fine. Okay class, so in this class video I am telling about how to draw picture 2 by using staircase method on league tournaments. Okay, so basically the staircase method we using drawing a picture in league tournaments. Okay class, so first we know about how many teams are participating. Okay, in this method odd or even numbers of team are also same, means कि इस मेथड में कोई बाइस नहीं आती है, मीन्स नो बाइस एंड नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स आर नॉट देयर. ओके, so basically in this method there are 2 points. Okay, so first is total number of teams, then second point is total number of matches. Okay, so as you can see I am writing here the question. Okay, so draw a picture of 9 teams on league basis according to the staircase method. Okay, so first step or first point is total number of teams. Okay, so total number of teams are 9. Okay, and the second point is total number of matches. Okay, so there is a formula to know about how many matches in this picture. Okay, so formula is n bracket n minus 1 bracket close upon 2. Yes. Okay class, so n is the number of team, so number of team is 9 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so 9 bracket 8 close 2. Okay class, so we solve this. Okay class, so basically the number of matches are going 35 matches. Okay, so number of matches are going 35. Okay class, so as we know about total number of team and total number of matches. Okay, so now we drawing a picture in staircase method. Okay class, okay class, so in staircase method picture draw, first we write to number of all teams. Okay, so first write number 1 dash number 2. Okay, then we write number 1 number 3, again number 1 number 4, number 1 number 5, number 1 number 6, number 1 number 7, number 1 number 8 and number 1 number 9. Okay, why I doing this like this? Because first you can see first round number 1 team will be going to participating or conducting to match or number 1 team सारी टीम्स का मैच खेलेगा इन स्टेयरकेस मेथड. ओके, देन सेकेंड राउंड we write number 2 or number 3, number 2, number 4, number 2, number 5, number 2, number 6, number 2, number 7 and number 2, number 8, number 2 and number 9. Okay class, okay, so in first round number 1 और number 2 are ने अपना मैच खेल लिया, तो दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ पे नंबर 2 और नंबर 3 का फर्स्ट मैच हुआ है. ओके, सेम ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट राउंड में यहाँ पे नंबर 3, नंबर 4, नंबर 3, नंबर 5, नंबर 3, नंबर 6, नंबर 3, नंबर 7, नंबर 3, नंबर 8, नंबर 3 and number 9. ओके, सेम एज नंबर 3 ने अपना मैच नंबर 2 से प्रीवियस राउंड में खेल लिया था, तो दैट्स व्हाई अगले राउंड में नंबर 3 का मैच नंबर 2 से नहीं हुआ. ओके, सेम ऐसे ही अब नंबर 3 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? नंबर 4. तो नंबर 4 टीम विल बी गोइंग 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8 and 4, 9. Okay class? Okay, so first round number 1 टीम्स ने सारे मैचेस अपने सारी टीम्स का मैच खेले। नंबर 2 नंबर राउंड 2 में अपना सारी टीम्स ने अपने नंबर 2 ने सारी टीम्स का मैच खेल लिया। देन नंबर 3 ने भी अगेन एंड नंबर 4 ने भी। नाउ वी गोइंग नंबर विथ नंबर 5. Okay, so number 5 and number 6, number 5 and number 7, number 5, number 8 and number 5, number 9. Okay class? Okay, so now the number 6 team will be remaining. Okay, so 6, 7, 6, 8, 6, 9. Okay. Okay, so now number 16 will play all matches with all teams. Now the next team will be going number 7, number 8, number 7, number 9. Okay class? And number 8 and number 9. Okay class? So now our staircase method is complete. Okay, if you want to draw like अगर आप ऐसे करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. Okay, and also अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करना चाहो, इसे शो करना हो, then you will show this like this in your exam or any other way. Okay class? So basically this is the staircase method to draw up to fixture. Okay, again I will repeat it because in first round in easy ऐसा कह सकते हैं first round number 1 team will be going to playing match with all other teams. Then in second round number 2 will be going to playing all matches with all teams. Then same as number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 and last number 9. Okay. As you see, all teams are going to play with all teams. No team will be remain to not playing the matches with any team. Okay class? So this is the staircase method to draw a picture. Okay. So class, I hope you all understand about the staircase method, how to draw a picture and how to know about how many matches and how many teams are participating. Okay, so one thing we again know how many matches are going. Okay, so we counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Okay class? I think one. Okay, so this is the staircase method. Okay class? So class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.
So class, I'm telling about what is the staircase method, basically which point will be related and how to work on this staircase on league tournaments. Okay, so first I'm telling you what is the definition of the staircase method. So in this method the fixture are made like a staircase. Okay, it means the fixture was made like a staircase. Okay, and it is arranged in sequence from there is no by, no problem of odd or even, and therefore it is assisted to arrange. Okay, it means in staircase method there is a no by, no problem, so to no problem of odd or even number. Okay, even in this matter, no one team get the bye, and never used to giving a bye. Okay, so there is some example to how to draw a staircase method. Okay, so let's move next page. Okay class, so there is some examples. So first, the example, draw a fixture 9 teams on round robin base or staircase method. Okay class, so first there is a first point is the number of team. Okay, so the number of team is 9. Okay, then the total number of matches means the second point we calculating is total number of matches, means how many matches are conducting in this staircase method or in this tournament, league tournaments. Okay, so there is a formula is n bracket n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is the formula to calculating the how many matches we conducting in staircase method. Okay, so we so 9 bracket 9 minus 1 upon 2, okay, is equal to 72 upon 2. So there is a is equal to 36 matches. Okay, so we are conducting is 36 matches. Okay, so basically the formula is knowing about how many matches we are conducting in this tournament. So the formula is n bracket n minus 1 bracket close upon 2. Okay class. Okay, so let's move next page. Okay, so in next page, I'm, I'm showing to how to draw a fixture in staircase method. So first, we know about in staircase method there is a no by or no odd even numbers problem. Okay, so first in first round we conducting number one, write the number one team in 8 times. Okay, why? Because the number of matches, because the number one team will not play against number one team, so that's why we writing first all 8 numbers of one number, then we write the number. First match we conducted 1 versus 2, then second match conducting 1 versus 3, fourth match conducting 1 versus 4, then fifth match conducting 2, 1 versus 5, and next match is 1 versus 6, next match 1 versus 7, then next match we conducting 1 versus 8, and last match we conducting 1 versus 9. Okay, so there is a first round we completed, then we entering second round. So there is in second round number 2 team will be playing the with all teams. Okay, so there is a 2 versus 3, 2 versus 4, 2 versus 5, 2 versus 6, 2 versus 7, and 2 versus 8, and the last one is 2 versus 9. Okay, so in this second round, number 2 will play the all matches with all teams. Okay, so let's move next page. Okay, so in next page, in next round, number 3 will play the all matches to with all teams. It means कि नंबर 2 ने नंबर 3 से मैच खेल लिया है, सेम एज नंबर 1 was playing to with number 2 match. So that's why we not write the same numbers of team in the next rounds. Okay, so in third round 3 versus 4 match, and 3 versus 5, 3 versus 6, and 3 versus 7, 3 versus 8, and 3 versus 9. Okay, so same as says we are going to our round 4. Okay, so in round 4, number 4 team will be play the matches. Okay, so number 4 team will play with number 5, and next match we play 4 versus 6, next match 4 versus 7, next match is 4 versus 8, and the next match 4 versus 9. Okay class, so in fourth round the four number team will play the all matches. Okay, so in fifth round, so number 5 team will be play the match. Okay, So number 5 will be play to number 6 team. Then next match we play number 7, number 5 and number 7 team. Next match will play number 5 and 8. In the last match, will 5 number team play to 5 to 9, 5 number and 9 number teams. Okay. Then entering the sixth round, in sixth round, the number 6 team will play with number 7. Then next match will play number 6 with versus to number 8 team. Then last match will play 6 number is 6 versus 9. Okay. Okay. So now number 7 team will play to with 8 number team. Then next match will play 7 versus 9. Okay. In the last round or last match, last round will doing to 8 versus 9. Okay, class. So that's how we'll draw the all the staircase fixture. Okay. So in first round we conducting the number 1 matches with all teams. Then second round we conducting the match number 2 with all teams. Then third round we conducting number 3 teams with all remaining teams. Then fourth round we conducting number 4 teams with all remaining teams. As the same as we continue the OR process with 9 teams, means number of teams. The total numbers of teams there is 9. So we are conducting the last team with 9. Okay. So if the team gets maximum, and how to know about which team will win the final or who will win the league match. So there is a formula, or this is the way to know about how to win, which team will be play or which team will win the tournament. Okay. So if a team get maximum point in a tournament, it is declared the winner of the tournament. It means which team will getting a maximum or highest points in this tournament. So basically that team will be winner in this tournament. Okay, class. So let's move next page. Okay, so in next page I'm telling about two method of deciding the winner in a league tournament. Okay, class. So if a team get maximum point in a tournament, it is declared the winner of the tournament. Okay. So first who will be win the one match, we giving a 2 point, and the loser of the team will get 0 point, and if the match will be going to tie or draw, so the point will be giving 1-1 equal. Okay. So let's move next page. Okay, so in next way, if the points are equal in case of two teams, a match is held again, but it is remain a draw. The team which won the maximum number of matches is declared as the winner. Okay. If the tie still remain, the team that score maximum number of goal is declared the winner. If the still tie remains, a matches is held again between these teams. Okay. If there is a draw again, the winner is declared by a toss. Okay. So there is some condition to how to know about to which team will win. If the all points are equal, or all goal are equal and scoring points are equal, so we are doing these types of method to knowing about which team will be winner. Okay. So last method we doing to declaring the winner is toss. Okay. So in addition to this, other method are also used to declare the winner. Okay, class. So this is the way to know about which team will be winner, and if we are facing this type of situation, so uh, we are taking these types of help to know about which team will be winner. Okay. So let's move next page. Okay, so in next page there is a British method. Okay, so basically British method was to know how to know about the in league tournaments which team will be winner and all points distribution. Okay, So divide the total points obtained by the total possible points. For example, if a team play 8 match in tournaments and wins 6 matches and 2 remains draw, the percentage of point will be total points equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Okay, and the possible point is 16. So we are using the formula to know about. So formula is percentage of points is equal to total points obtained upon total possible points into 100. Okay class, so we are using this example to percentage of points 14 upon 16 into 100, so it's equal to 87.5. Okay, so this is the percentage of chances or percentage of winner knowing to winner of team. Okay class, so this is the British method to knowing about in winner team. Okay, so next let's move next page. Okay class, so second next page I'm telling about to American method to know about in league tournaments winner of this tournament. Okay, so in American method divide the number of game won by the total numbers of team games played. If a team play 8 games and win 5 games in a tournament, then percentage of point is equal to matches won upon matches play into 100. Its percentage will be 5 upon 8 into 100 is equal to 62.5. Okay, so this is the percentage of points. Okay, in this way the percentage of other team may be calculated in this method. Tie is not count. Okay class, so in this method tie was not counting, or otherwise the all winning matches or losing matches will be count. Okay class, so this is the American method to knowing percentage of winning team. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the staircase method to, and also the know how to draw the picture in league tournament with